Weather Max forecast with meteorologist Caitlin Moffitt.
Good morning and happy Tuesday. If you're just tuning in, we are tracking a snowy system across much of the Northland as we had rain yesterday, which brought a good inch or so to the Duluth area. And we are going to be tracking our next system in terms of snow coming later this evening. Now, we are under a winter weather advisory for the Duluth area. That is the counties you see shaded in purple, which includes the Duluth region. We are under that advisory until Wednesday morning at 4 a.m. And then, of course, the heaviest of this system is expected to kind of skirt right along the border of Minnesota and Wisconsin. So, of course, the winter storm warning is in place for much of those areas, Douglas County, Bayfield County, until Wednesday at 4 a.m. And then a few counties off to our east, like Ironwood, is still under the advisory. But if conditions change, they can always up that advisory to a winter storm warning, which is in the pink. So as we look at the Doppler and satellite, kind of what we're seeing right now this morning, we still have several hours until the system kind of is set to arrive here in the Northland. Although it looks like most of it's right to our south, this is actually still that cold front that's still moving east. We've got another system that's down to our south that behind that low pressure system is where that snow is going to be moving north, which is going to impact us tonight. And that, of course, is going to spread across much of the region here. So you'll notice the Northland is under those cloudy to partly cloudy skies this morning, and that extends all the way throughout Ironwood, where some of this isn't actually hitting the surface. Further south in Wisconsin is where they're seeing those rain showers from that cold front. So if we look at the temperatures this morning as you head out the door, still quiet out there today, and much of the afternoon should be pretty pleasant in terms of temperature-wise, and of course the roads should still be fine. Temperatures all in the teens to our northwest, and then of course further down to the south and east, we've got 25 in Duluth, 30 in Hayward, 27 down in Wilmer, and 31 in Rochester. You'll notice these icons indicating that snow-rain mix that Eau Claire, River Falls, and Rhinelander are starting to see from that cold front, which of course impacted us yesterday. So as we time out the system for you here on the Futurecast by 11 o'clock, portions up along the international borders still seeing sunny skies for much of the day today. And then, of course, clouds increase from the south to the north. Snow will start to spread in very slowly this afternoon around 4 o'clock. But once it gets going, this system's going to be moving pretty quickly through the evening hours. We've got some light snow entering the northern Wisconsin region with mixing in with some rain. And then by 7, 8 o'clock, the Duluth region will be under that snow. And it's going to become moderate at times, especially from the Duluth area all the way through Ashland, Solon Springs, Hayward. Moderate snow, which is going to affect the roads. It's a wet, heavy snow, so those roadways are going to be impacted. Continues in Grand Marais around 2 a.m., but by that point, the Twin Ports are clear, and we've got pretty nice conditions in place for your Wednesday afternoon hours. Of course, cooler temperatures are in place. So taking a look at the forecast for the snow, I did shift the models a little bit further north than I did yesterday, just because that system, as I mentioned, if it shifted north, it would include the Duluth area. So 3 to 6 inches for the Duluth area, 2 to 4 inches for the Iron Range, a trace to 2 further west you go, and then the highest totals we're looking likely in the 4 to 8 range around that snow belt region and right around the South Shore from, of course, the winds coming off Lake Superior and, of course, where that system is really going to sit. So we'll keep that in mind. I'm going to be doing Facebook Lives later this morning to kind of do an update on this system that's going to be impacting our region later tonight as temperatures will start to drop overnight. And then Wednesday, we're in for a pretty nice afternoon. Dry conditions for Wednesday, 38 degrees, and then Thursday, a chance for some flurries. Otherwise, the big talker really is tonight. If you have plans to be on the roads tonight, you just need to keep an eye on the radar of where that snow's falling and, of course, take it slow.
Yeah, definitely could get messy out there, even if it doesn't look that bad,
Yes.
especially with this more wet, packed snow like you're forecasting for us here. That can be slippery for sure.
Yeah.
And something that I think a few of us this morning weren't prepared for. Don't just leave a couple minutes early so you can defrost your windshield.
That too.
I forgot, and I was sitting in my car for way too long today.
Yes, the cold has arrived, and now, of course, now comes the snow.
Absolutely. All right. Thank you, Caitlin.
Yep.